तू आ जाना, मैं पागल हूँ, मैं ऐसे बैठा हुआ. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the format of the video is slightly different because we are curling my hair. I wanted it to be and Karishma is there and she's going to help me with it because obviously
He can't do it.
and it's going to be a light video. We're going to talk a little about what is happening in fashion and she's going to act as my makeup baby. So let's go ahead. मतलब लोग बहुत ही ऐसे कहते हैं कि बहुत अच्छे बाल है मेरे.
Of course.
तो थैंक यू एवरीवन जो भी अभी सोच रहा है कि वाह क्या बाल दिए भगवान.
Fetish. Hair
And-
fetish.
एंड ये ऐसे ही है, मतलब नेचुरली मैंने स्ट्रेट नहीं करे हैं.
I think. Oh sorry.
असली है.
आज काफी नर्वस हूँ मैं, पहली बार अपना टैलेंट चैनलाइज करती हूँ.
ऑन कैमरा अपना टैलेंट दिखाने के लिए करिश्मा अग्रवाल काफी नर्वस.
काफी. दीदी, you have to let loose of your hair.
अच्छा नहीं, वो कैमरा में अच्छी नहीं लग रहा है.
कोई बात नहीं, देखो आपकी असली शक्ल तो कभी ना कभी देखनी है ना किसी ने.
We thought we'd talk about what's been happening in the fashion industry in this week. कंगना रनौत का ट्विटर अकाउंट सस्पेंड हो गया.
We love it.
जिसके लिए हम काफी खुश हैं. Okay, so I wanted to start this मतलब on a fashion का note because there are designers who have अच्छा लगा काफी.
Pretty.
So we thought of talking about it because there are some fashion brands, actually two designers prominently, who were very vocal about Kangana's deleting the account. That was deleted by Twitter, and they announced that they will not have any further associations with Kangana. And so this is actually very good because fashion has, especially fashion brands as such, have never taken a political stand or been very vocal about their personal beliefs. But I felt it was necessary because I think fashion has some of the, or one of the largest influences with the direct people, apart from celebrities and politics and all of that. So Rimzim Dadu and Anand Bhushan, so these are the two designers who took up to, like being very vocal, and they deleted all their collaborations and posts that had the actor, and they said that there will be no further associations of the brand with the actor. So I thought it was very cool, or very bold as a step to be taken by a fashion designer or
Of
someone.
course. I mean, the less shut she keeps, the more peaceful gold is. So I think that the more shut she keeps, sorry. So it's great.
It was a surprise actually. Like I came across this, and even Mohit Rai, the stylist, had shared some things on his story. And so the stylist has been very vocal. That was not new, but a fashion brand putting something like this on their official page was very new. So there are, celebrities who are doing a lot of COVID relief.
Yeah,
Stuff.
Sonu Sood for life, bro.
I would like to say that Karishma speaks about Sonu Sood
Very
because
passionately.
she's a big fan.
No, I'm actually not a fan. I became a fan after I saw him at the airport, and I was like, so I think my belief in him has become more severely. I've related this to my airport incident, but still fine. I mean, he looks great. I mean, come on, how can you not crush on the guy? And then him doing so much for the society, it's just a hard, good decision to make.
So
To be a fan.
he has looks and he has the heart.
Yes.
So Karishma is a fan.
So
And today morning only, I think Virat and Anushka put up a video regarding the COVID relief. So I don't know what was that about. I have not seen that.
it
Have
was
you seen
basically them being, vocal and raising funds for the COVID relief and donating it to Hemkund and I think what is the other name? The case hai yaar. So they are doing basically a COVID relief fund, and it's a great initiative that they are coming forward when government is clearly failing in giving us any kind of relief.
ठीक है, so let's keep the political views
But it's
apart,
true, my
apart from
God,
the video.
oh my
Like
God.
everyone knows
It's
that we are
true.
happy about Kangana's account getting deleted, so we are not pro-government, but we're talking about fashion here, so yeah.
Yeah. Anushka was wearing a great kurti in it, and Virat was looking hot as ever.
So not that way. So now that she's talking about raising funds, so there is this brand called Jodi, and they started a fund that they were going to send out a particular portion of their sales or profits to a thing, and then they raised around 10 lakh rupees to be donated. So in my opinion, that's a huge amount to be donated, and they were very transparent. So that was the thing that that was good about it, that they kept us through the loop, like how much has been generated and what has been happening. And even when they donated the entire amount, they received the receipts from these 2 or 3 organizations that they donated to. Hemkund was one of them, and then they went on to share it with the people. So that if you have contributed to the cause with the brand, and it is reaching the right people.
Yeah.
So Karishma had a different point of view. She had that if you are someone who has the capital, you should be doing
the on-feet action that is required. Because see, of course, I mean, they are really dignified brands, and it's okay, it's a give and take. If they're taking an initiative, it will reach the right hands. But a lot of times we don't know if it is or it is a scam or what is being held. So I think what people on feet are doing right now, and like helping the people on feet, it's more commendable and more quick as the situation is worsening. So yeah, but I think if they're supporting it, at least they're coming forward, unlike the government.
So yeah, I had a different point of view. I was like, not everyone can possibly get on the ground and do stuff. So it's always better to help people who are already coming through and who already had that kind of experience. If there are NGOs or people who've always been a part of the social work, so they would know better in terms of how they can help someone like that. So that was one thing. Apart from Jodi, there were a lot of brands who were doing proceeds and things that that can help. There's a brand called Cord that has contributed a lump sum to the organization, and there is Core. Then even Diet Sabya and Lakme Fashion Week both were amplifying the voices of almost all the brands that are doing COVID relief fund or any kind of proceeds and all these kind of things. So that was good to know that fashion industry is silent usually, but it did a fair lot of amount this time in comparison to Bollywood, because the Bollywood producers and the big people with a lot of money
they're
in
just
Bollywood,
going and baking.
Yeah, and there is tone deaf attitude, and then there are celebrities like Sara and Janvi who are putting their yoga routines and all of that. Like that was very insensitive and mere baal khich rahe.
Oh, sorry.
So that was very
You
insensitive.
can move a little left because I'm fine.
So that was very insensitive in my opinion. Like why would you do something like that? And yeah, so that's that. But I would like to say that my hair are very easy to handle. They're so silky.
Oh, please.
And it's so
That's
nice.
the worst kind of hair when it comes to setting and styling, because it's so silky. It's just slipping off my hand. I'm just too good a person and a hairdresser.
Apart from that, what has been happening in the fashion industry? I think everyone has been talking about the Billie Eilish campaign or shoot that she did with the British Vogue, and it was pretty cool. It was very unusual to see her in a very fitted corset and go about talking about how she has overcome her. Pretty refreshing for her to be seen in something, first of all, that is not neon, because she's been a fan of neon green since the time we've seen her.
Yeah.
And all the baggy streetwear clothes. She's been a streetwear icon. I would say that she had a role in, promoting streetwear and then creating the association of luxury with streetwear.
Yeah.
Because even on the red carpets or on events like this, which were very high fashion, and we're used to seeing women there in fitted clothing or gowns and all these things, she turned up in streetwear. So that was a very fresh take. But now that she came up with this brilliant campaign in full nudes and beiges and browns and very caramel tones, where she's wearing all brands. I would say she's wearing Dolce & Gabbana, she's wearing Vivienne Westwood, she's wearing Balmain, she's wearing Gucci. So it's been amazing. If you've not seen that particular campaign, I would advise you to just go and have a look, because I think after a very long time there has been something that is very fresh, and she even got rid of the neon hair color that she has in her
Yeah,
hair.
it's blonde and it's looking fab.
You know, there was this one part of her interview which was in which she was saying that she was prepared for it to look bad. Matlab,
For blonde to look bad.
yeah, she was like, I was prepared that it is going to look shit and this will not come up the way she was hoping. And it was nice because she's always talked about the insecurities that she has faced in the industry, and how she feels that, you know, sometimes women are over sexualized. And considering that she is so young and she joined the industry at 16, 17, it was a good take to not do something like this for all these years and then, you know, taking
yeah.
their own sweet time.
Sorry.
Now, there was this one other thing that was very surprising about the campaign, that was that she was a major part of the styling team while they were doing it. So it was not put up together only by the British Vogue team, it was also because it was also with her own involvement. And apparently, according to the stylist who did this thing, she said that, you know, Billy's ideas were the first one to be taken into consideration, and then they built the entire campaign over, you know, what her ideas were. Okay, sorry guys, light chali gayi thi.
उनको नहीं पता.
So we had to pause it like this, and we are resuming. उनको नहीं पता, लेकिन हम बता रहे हैं ना कि लाइट चली गई थी.
Yeah, full transparency we follow on this account.
और इसमें तो ऐसे ही कर्ल पड़ गए, इसके अंदर डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं.
Listen,
चलो.
what have you done?
Okay guys, I think we have talked all fashion. अभी तक जो भी है अभी तक.
हाँ, because it's you won't let anybody like talk about anything else, right?
तो यार ठीक
Has to be
है.
fashion.
प्यार है मेरा फैशन से, अब क्या कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, fine.
लेकिन गाइस आप आई डोंट नो इफ यू ऑल नो, मतलब मुझे भी काफी लेट पता चला था कि फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स हुए थे. किसी ने अगर नहीं भाव दिया उनको
तो ऑस्कर भी हुए थे.
ऑस्कर्स तो चलो हुए थे, लेकिन फिल्म फेयर भी हुए थे. एंड आई वाज रियली वेटिंग टू डू अ रेड कार्पेट रिव्यू फॉर फिल्म फेयर, बट एवरीवन लुक्ड सो बैड. They looked so bad.
They were looking.
And you know, the makeups were off, and even for the red carpet, it was out in the heat. They were all sweating. It was looking very bad. So I thought कि थोड़ा रहम करते हैं और फिल्म फेयर का नहीं करते रिव्यू. So
खुद पे रहम करते हैं कि उन पे?
खुद पे और उन पे भी. Because अगर मैं रिव्यू करता तो मैं गाली निकालता या फिर, you know, I would have just been like क्या अच्छी क्या किया.
गालियाँ ही तेरी.
हाँ.
अच्छा. And why are you so good on camera?
I am always like this. In real life also I am like this. No one, what do you say? Anyone who knows me personally knows that I am like this. बस खत्म.
No,
अच्छा,
you
ठीक है.
swear.
Okay guys, so broad गर्म हो रही है, तो इसलिए हम वेट कर रहे हैं. करिश्मा, tell us something about yourself.
I mean, than being a full-time best friend, I have other things to do in my life as well.
Yeah.
But nobody takes me seriously.
Karishma has no option of saying no ever.
Ever.
I will say that I ये करना है, and she's like.
Yeah. Like there's a full-time mother, there's a full-time person. I'm a full-time best friend, and that's my designation in life.
Yeah.
And I am that undermined best friend by the way. मम्मियाँ नहीं complain करती मेरे बच्चे तो मुझे कभी बोलते ही नहीं कि हाय ये सर. It's the same story कि कभी मुझे recognition नहीं मिलती. बस ऐसे MUA का tag मिल जाता है for shoots करिश्मा अग्रवाल. But that's that. But it's fine. So I'm pretty selfless actually. That's my introduction, that I'm selfless. And that's where I belong and come from.
Thank you.
नहीं,
Me and the people who are seeing this video would like to say thank you.
You're welcome. But it's I'm an entrepreneur. I don't do hairstyling at all. If that's what you think I do, I am not a makeup didi at all.
Guys, broad गर्म हो चुकी है.
Thank you. इस information के ना मर ही जाते. मतलब they would have been like कि पता नहीं क्या crisis ही हो गई जीवन में. Stop desectioning your hair.
मैंने क्या किया? मैंने तो कुछ किया भी नहीं है.
तो अनन्या, आपको कैसा लग रहा है during a pandemic getting your hair curled and totally being selfless?
Selfless.
Yes.
Selfish you mean?
No, selfless. You are so
Selfless.
selfless.
नहीं यार, अब भगवान जी की दया से हम बचे हुए हैं तो क्या करें.
तो बाली कॉल कर लेते हैं.
I just wanted to put out a happy video which is not in the usual format and that's it. मैं ये ठीक से नहीं कर रही तू.
Fine. खुद कर ले.
छोड़ एक मिनट, बस हो गया कल अब. Okay guys, I am channeling my inner Marilyn Monroe
Diva.
and we're going to style them abhi.
Whoa, oh my god.
This is how they're looking.
Just sit.
Okay. Got too excited. I've got too much hair today because after curling it looked too much.
God.
And probably I will try and click some nice pictures abhi and put it on my Instagram. But then you can see how they look when we style them properly. But this brings us to the end of this video, and this was a new format and we try to have fun and bring smile to your faces. Okay, I'll copy Karishma here. And I hope you had fun. We talked a little bit fashion and we did some funny stuff. And it was just to take out the usual formal format. So let us know how you liked it and if you had
If you
something
want
to
me to do
say.
his makeup, you can just tell that.
She's too
as
excited
well.
about it, but I don't want makeup.
It's
I'm not a
fine.
fan of makeup, but
But-
chalo. We can try. If you guys
If you guys think that I will take
if you
the
guys
hint
say
in my hand.
that it's something that you would want us to try, so we'll go ahead and do that also for camera because
You're too enthusiastic about the camera and we can do pretty much everything for it.
नहीं ये ज़्यादा हो गया.
अरे?
ये ज़्यादा हो गया. ऐसा भी नहीं है.
No,
But-
no pun intended, but like just for the fun.
But I love my hair. Okay, so
Yeah.
bye bye guys. See you next time.